So keep the springs down, undo that bolt, and take the exhaust manifold off, the exhaust pipe. All right, I got that piece out. So here it is. In order for you to take it out, you do have to disconnect the engine. Now I have the swing arm bolt just loose here. Bottom bolt is out. That one's out. You got a pry bar, and carefully pry the motor up until you could swing this manifold towards you, towards the left side of the bike. Okay, this is the original manifold. Looks like this. Basically, the new one has a bigger opening from this point to that point. I have the Grunt manifold installed, so it's on there. Basically, you have to take the exhaust off, take the engine bolt off, this one off, loosen the swing arm bolt, tilt the motor up a little bit with a pry bar, and get that exhaust manifold out, and then reassemble. That's pretty much it. And both of these covers have to go off, this side and this side. Pretty good, pretty fun. All right, that's all I got.